In today's video, I'm going to show you how to soften skin in Lightroom without using Photoshop, and I'll keep it simple, natural, and beginner-friendly. This is a great technique if you want portraits to look smoother without giving them that fake, over-edited plastic look. We're going to use Lightroom's masking tools, which makes this method fast, clean, and non-destructive. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Adobe's Lightroom on desktop and load the portrait you want to edit. Once your photo is open, go over to the masking panel. From there, choose Select Subject if Lightroom detects the person automatically. If you need more control, you can also use the brush tool to paint only over the face or skin areas you want to soften. The goal here is to keep the mask focused on the skin, not the eyes, lips, eyebrows, hair, or clothing. That way, the edit stays natural and doesn't affect the important facial details. If the mask covers too much, refine it by subtracting areas you do not want softened. Take a moment here to zoom in and make sure the selection is clean. This step matters because good masking is what separates a polished portrait from an overdone one. Once your skin mask is ready, start adjusting the settings slowly. First, lower texture to somewhere around -20 to -40. Texture is one of the best tools for softening fine skin details while still keeping the photo realistic. Next, reduce clarity to about -10 to -20. This helps smooth harsh contrast in the skin, but don't push it too far or the face can start to lose definition. After that, slightly reduce sharpness, usually around -5 to -10. This takes the edge off the skin just enough to make it look softer, while still preserving facial structure. The key here is subtlety. You do not want to completely erase pores, lines, or natural detail. Real skin always has some texture, and keeping a little of that texture is what makes the final result look professional. As you make each adjustment, keep checking the before and after view so you can see exactly how much is being changed. If the skin starts to look too smooth, back off the sliders a little. A good portrait edit should enhance the subject, not make them look unreal. You can also use multiple masks if different parts of the face need slightly different treatment. For example, you might soften cheeks a bit more while keeping the forehead and jawline more natural. That gives you much better control and helps the photo stay believable. Once you're happy with the skin softness, review the full image and make sure the face still looks sharp in the right places. Eyes, eyelashes, eyebrows, lips, and hair should stay crisp so the portrait keeps its character. That balance is what makes Lightroom skin softening look high quality without needing Photoshop at all. And that's it, a simple, natural way to soften skin in Lightroom on desktop using masking. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Lightroom tips and editing shortcuts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.